Come test drive the 2020 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, driver attention alert system, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.